Imagine a future where your finances are uncertain. You might outlive your savings. Unexpected expenses could arise. This is the reality for many without a retirement plan. Don't let this happen to you. Take control of your future today. Retirement planning is not just about saving money, it's about securing your financial freedom. It's about enjoying your golden years without financial worries. Retirement might seem far away, but the earlier you start, the better. Time is your most valuable asset. Compounding allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Starting early means you can save less each month. This makes retirement planning less burdensome. Don't wait until it's too late. Start planning for your retirement today. Retirement planning is crucial for a secure future. It provides peace of mind and financial stability. A well-structured plan helps you maintain your lifestyle. It ensures you can handle unexpected expenses. Don't let uncertainty cloud your golden years. Take charge with a solid retirement plan. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Calculate your expenses, income, and assets. Then, determine your retirement goals and timeline. Consider your desired lifestyle and potential healthcare costs. This assessment provides a clear picture of your needs. It helps you set realistic saving and investment goals. Next, explore different retirement plans. Employer-sponsored plans like 401ks offer tax advantages. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs, provide flexibility and tax benefits. Research and choose the plan that aligns with your needs. Consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Selecting the right plan is crucial for maximizing your savings. Remember, retirement planning is not one size fits all. Your plan should be as unique as you are. Factor in your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Life is full of surprises, so stay adaptable. With careful planning and consistent effort, you can achieve your retirement dreams. There are various retirement plans and investment strategies. Understanding them is crucial for making informed decisions. One popular option is the 401k. This employer-sponsored plan allows pre-tax contributions. Your money grows tax-deferred, and you pay taxes upon withdrawal. Many employers offer matching contributions, boosting your savings. Another option is the individual retirement account, IRA. There are two main types, traditional and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions. Your money grows tax-deferred, and you pay taxes in retirement. Roth IRAs use after-tax contributions. Your money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Besides retirement plans, consider investment strategies. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Stocks offer potential for high returns but come with higher risk. Bonds provide stability and regular income but have lower growth potential. Real estate, commodities, and other alternative investments offer diversification benefits. Remember, investing involves risk. It's crucial to understand your risk tolerance. If you're risk-averse, consider conservative investments. If you're comfortable with risk, you might explore growth-oriented options. Consult a financial advisor to determine the best strategy for your situation. They can help you create a diversified portfolio aligned with your goals. Section 4. Supercharging your nest egg, expert tips and tricks. Maximizing your retirement investments requires smart strategies. First off, start by contributing the maximum to your retirement plans. This maximizes your tax advantages and accelerates your savings growth. Don't forget to take advantage of employer matching contributions. It's like getting free money towards your retirement. Consider increasing your contribution rate annually. Even a small increase can make a significant difference over time. As your income grows, increase your contributions proportionally. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts. This ensures consistent contributions and takes the guesswork out of saving. Minimize investment fees and expenses. High fees can erode your returns over time. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs for cost-effective investing. Review your investment portfolio regularly and rebalance as needed. This ensures your asset allocation aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Remember, retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined with your savings and investment strategy. Avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations, and when in doubt, seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you stay on track. Section 5. A Golden Tomorrow. Reaping the Rewards of Planning. A proactive approach to retirement planning offers numerous benefits. It provides financial security and peace of mind. You can enjoy your golden years without worrying about money. It allows you to maintain your desired lifestyle and pursue your passions. Retirement planning also offers flexibility and freedom. You can choose when and how you want to retire. It allows you to spend more time with loved ones and pursue hobbies. It gives you the financial independence to make choices that align with your values. Moreover, retirement planning helps you prepare for unexpected expenses. Healthcare costs, home repairs, and other emergencies can arise. A well-funded retirement plan acts as a safety net, protecting you from financial hardship. Remember, retirement is not the end, but a new beginning. It's a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and embrace new opportunities. By planning ahead, you can ensure a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Start planning today and secure your financial future. Section 6. The last word, your future secured. Retirement planning is not just about money. It's about taking control of your future. It's about securing your financial freedom and enjoying your golden years to the fullest. By understanding the importance of early planning, exploring different retirement plans, and employing smart investment strategies, you can pave the path to a secure and fulfilling retirement. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for tomorrow, start planning for your golden years today.